1993 Tacoma. Everywhere he goes, everybody wants to buy it. I don't know if you guys know anything about these Tacomas. They're indestructible. And every person I've talked to that owns these trucks, everybody else wants to buy them for some reason. It's a good looking truck. Got a nice lift kit, nice wheels, all that. It's a good, clean truck. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. So a stock up here. Then we did a high flow converter there. 2.25 pipe into a Sebring tuning muffler. They sent it out to us, said, try it on the car. We said, okay, we got you. So there it is, Sebring tuning muffler. And then 2.25 continues into a double wall black tip to complete the look. Look at that. Look how many bends we had to do. Custom bent all the way. But she looks clean now. And here's the tip from the outside so you guys can see it better. It looks clean. Clean little truck. I like it. I'm going to ask him, hey man, you want to sell it? I know you hear that like a million times a day. See? Anyways, back to the action. Stay tuned. 1993 Toyota Tacoma, 4-wheel drive. Is it a V6 or 4-cylinder? 4-cylinder. 4-cylinder. Go ahead. Sebring tuning muffler, new catalytic converter, tailpipe, and tip. Yeah, he called me. He's like, what muffler should I use on it? Because he wanted just a little bit of tone, not a lot, right? Is that good? Yeah. Oh, that's clean. Here's sound decibels. Right at 92. Yeah, it's clean. All right, go and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Let you guys hear on the inside. '93 Toyota Tacoma with a Sebring muffler, cat, high flow cat, tailpipe, and tip. That's the old system that was on it. We took off, cleaned it up for him. Give that little truck new life, new sound. He loves that little thing. That's a clean tone. Sorry for the rain, guys, but it works.